You know it's a good day when you started on stilts. Well, didn't start it on stilts. Starting the video on stilts. It's 4 o'clock in the evening. If you watch the shorts, you'll have seen this. The old tenant that lived in here decided that he was going to destroy the house. There's Sharpie or paint on the wall here. He destroyed the flooring. You can see there's a patch in the ceiling here. I had to take it off yesterday and redo it because it had a big hollow spot. So I've just got one tape on right now because I just started doing it. Figured I'd do a full-length video for you. But this used to be popcorn ceiling because he put a hole in it. We're just gonna flatten the whole ceiling out. I had to rerun that whole entire tape yesterday. Yeah, I got my little helper man here. You helping Dad today, Robbie?
Yeah.
Yeah? So yeah, we're just gonna start slinging some mud. I'll get this taped up and I'll show you guys that when it's done before I start pulling mud across the whole entire ceiling. As you can see, I already did a bit of it yesterday, so I ran out of mud at that point.
When you need it.
Okay guys, tapes are on. Now it's time to clean it up a bit and get it ready because it's going to be a different spot or height. So I'm going to get it fanned out right now so that it can dry while I do the rest of the ceiling, so I can come back and get it to the same stage. All right, tapes are all on. I got the center filled in. This will all get blended out after the mud's done. Got my baby girl down here as well now. So now it's time to hawk and trowel. I wish I brought a tripod with me so I could set it up to show you guys. But this just is gonna be, I guess, a video of this. I come in and out and show you the progress. I showed this spot in the short from yesterday. You can see where the mud's wet right here. That's where I just filled in that really bad low spot. And then I've gotten this section done. It's taken me about 12 minutes. So now I'm gonna work down this way to the corner, come back this way towards us so that I can leave this patch for last. So I can kind of just blend into it. So about 40 minutes later, not much left to do. Long day. I'm tired. Got a lot going on with Rutherford Garage. Now I gotta get a hammer, because that's a nail. This corner I had to do another quick tape in. Yes, you should let your tapes dry, but Christmas is in a couple of days and I don't got time. So Rutherford Garage is just mudding away today. Trying to make it right for people that got taken advantage of and then their home destroyed. All right.
Dad?
The ceiling
Look
is
what
done.
I spelled.
What'd you spell, baby? Dad, Mom, old? Hey!
And butterflies.
I'm not old.
That's not on the video.
You silly girl. So this is the ceiling after one coat, no sanding.
And my dad is old.
I am not old, Missy Pooh.
It's just a joke.
I also decided to touch up that butt joint. It was bad.
And there is a nail sticking out. So, but Mom, my
Alright.
dad's not actually older than my mom
Well,
is.
short but brief. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe.